My name is Levi McKercher. I'm a second-year Ph.D. student in the Department of Biological Sciences here at the University of South Carolina. We're here at the Baruch Marine Field Laboratory in Georgetown, South Carolina. Here we study a wide range of different organisms, ranging from seagrasses to oysters to fishes in our natural estuary. So one of the features here at the Baruch Marine Field Lab that is especially useful is our seawater system. And so we're consistently pumping seawater from the estuary to tanks here, and then we can use it in many different laboratories and outdoor spaces on site. The mentorship is awesome. There's several faculty that work full-time here at the lab. Their research spans from fish investigations in the marsh, to oysters, to seagrasses. And the nice thing is you can really gain multiple experiences. You know, you're not just confined to your own project. You can work with others consistently, and undergraduate help is always encouraged down here at the lab. So it's really just a great place to not only enjoy the natural environment, but to study it. This is a perfect place for curious-minded students who are just looking to get field experience. And it's also a great place to gain experience that will prepare you for a future career.